we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and I got this Diablo wood and metal jigsaw set that I got. So I know I don't really ever use a jigsaw. Honestly, I don't know, I've probably used a jigsaw maybe 12 times in my entire life. I think I used it more when I was in school in wood shop than I ever did actually out of wood shop in school. So these are the size of them right here. This is what the box, the package looks like. That's the back of it, and kind of the size that they tell you that they are, so you guys can see. And yeah, so they come with all these, so we are going to test these out. I'm going to open these up. I'm going to probably use the fine one, because if you see my other videos or what's going on, I'm working on a project in the laundry room. I'm most likely going to end up testing this one out on the counter, on the IKEA countertop, the fine one. So we are going to test this one out and see what it looks like. I will test the fast wood out on some probably 2x4 or whatever. We'll see how that cuts. I mean, I don't really have anything to compare it to, so this is just a review of this. Like I said, I'm not big with the I'm not big with the jigsaws, like I said, so this is pretty much what we got here. But they have like a metal one right here that's kind of cool. That's a very fine one, but like I said, I'm going to use this one to cut the counter, and we'll test that out, and then we'll test the other ones out. All right, everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews. We're outside. It's dark, but I can't sleep, and I figured I would cut this up and do some of the review for you guys. So we're going to test out the fine finish one on this. This won't be a review about the tool, because I can already tell this tool is a little not aligned properly, and this Ryobi is, I think I got this about like 8 years ago, maybe 9 years ago, because you notice the new one is green. But we'll see how long this battery lasts though. So let's get this cut in here and let's see what's up. Sorry for the shadowing of the light, but I can't do nothing about it. It is what it is. All right, so I started last night, and then it got loud, and it was 11 o'clock at night, and that didn't work because, I don't know, we didn't have traffic. I live in front of Route 46 East, heading to New York, and as you can hear it right now, usually there's always traffic, right? You hear the trucks going by. But last night, I don't know, it was quiet as hell. I used the saw and it was loud, so I had to stop, and let's get this done now. So like, I never used this before. This will be a test just of this, and that's it. Let's cut this. I'm not sure even the speed I should be using, so I'm gonna go with 2, which is gonna be in the middle, and we'll wing it from there. And this says the finishing wood one, and let me tell you, it's not going as planned. All right, so mine got very choppy, as you can see. You have to hold this down really tight. If you hold it down really tight, I notice it cuts better. So let's try this out again. All right, so let's compare that cut. So it still came out a little bit choppy, just to let you guys know, as you can see. It still came out, choppier than I wanted it to. I'm just comparing it to using it to this type of countertop. If you're using it for wood that, you don't really care about, you're cutting quick, that's fine. It's going to work for you. But if you're doing something like this that's maybe more fragile and not as cheap or robust, then I don't know. So let's try the other one and see what's up. So they got the reverse cut, but the reverse cut is made for very soft material. If you're going to be using foam, anything that's soft, foam, cardboard, I guess, stuff like that, some very thin. So we're not even going to waste our time on that, but we are going to try the metal one on here and see if we can get this thing to be a lot nicer of a cut than it is over there. So we're just going to try it out and go for it. Ready, guys? it's getting very choppy, you know, and I'm not really liking that. So that made the cut a lot nicer. So no matter what, if you're going to use this on this kind of material, it's not really made for it. So just to let you know, I'm still, obviously I'm showing you the review of what not to do, but I'm still, you know, obviously installing this counter. So that's kind of what's going on. But did you see how nice and smooth that cut, where this is just messing the whole damn thing up? All right, so we made the cut. Silicone's going to go there, so it's not going to be too bad. But like I said, this is at least a review of me using the saw, cutting that, seeing kind of what it's going to look like, and that's it. So I'm going to do a review of me cutting just some wood with the saw. I found some 1/4 inch wood paneling, so we're going to try to just cut, you know. All right, guys, so we're just going to do some little cuts right here just to show you the different blades that came in it real quick. The reverse, I guess I'll use on that, but you're not really made, it's not really made for that. All right, so we're gonna do a line of the metal on this 1/4 inch right here, all right? So the blades work awesome on wood, I would expect. They just don't work good on the countertop. That's why I just want to show you a little bit of this. All right, so that cut that really easily. Let's try, that was for the metal one. I don't really have any metal to cut, so whatever. This is the finishing one that was in there that I thought was kind of chopping shit up. So let's try to cut this. That cut it too. That cut it really easily. As you saw, a little bit choppy. Obviously, the metal one you saw came out a lot nicer because it's a finer blade. Now the scroll one is supposed to be able to, you know, go in circles or whatever. So we're just going to do like a snake line, something very simple, and let's see if we can get this little line out, that little snake line that I just made right here. All right, so let's try to cut this and see what we got. This is in the way, otherwise I probably would have just made that cut. Wow, that actually came out really nice. This thing will come in handy. If you're trying to, you know, make designs and stuff, this is pretty awesome in 1/4 inch wood, at least from what I saw. So I think that's very impressive. That was pretty cool because I haven't used this kind of stuff since, you know, wood shop in high school, you know? So we're gonna try the reverse cut. It says on plastic. I couldn't find styrofoam, so we'll just try it on the plastic for now. Okay, reverse. It's raining. It's raining, man. Hallelujah, it's raining, man. Every step's a man. Tall, dark. All right, ready? Let's see how this will cut. This is the first time using this kind of a reverse blade, so I never seen this. Nah, just cracking it. So this is definitely not made for that. All right, so let's try the reverse wood on this and see how it comes out. All right, guys. Huh. Honestly, that cut very smooth because it says it's mainly, it says online, you know, soft plastic, you know, plastics and stuff like that. I guess this is just really soft, but that cut it really smooth. Honest, that cut it smoother than the other ones. Look at that. You see how smooth that is on the reverse cut for this? So just to let you know, the reverse cut does work awesome on, you know, on this kind of wood, I guess, anything that's thin or whatever, but it made a really nice cut, nicer than the other ones. I don't have a lot of battery left, so we're gonna turn this on 3 and see if I can even get through this, all right? I only have, I think, 1 battery, so most likely this is just gonna die. But let's see what we can do, all right? Ready? Let's go. How's that? Huh? So it was able to cut the 2x4 with no problem. That cut it really easily. That was awesome. So I thought that was a good cut. All right, so this is the metal blade. This is 1/8 of an inch zinc bracket. I'm just gonna try to cut, you know, a little piece. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy because I'm not gonna want to damage my bracket, but let's just see how much I can cut. All right, ready? Huh. That cut it really easily, okay? Wow, that cut it really nice. Check that out, guys. Look at that, 3 cuts through that. It went like butter, honestly. I don't know how long the blade will last, but those 3 cuts went through really quick, and that's 1/8 inch of zinc that we just got cut. So this is like a little review of the blade saw, of the blades that I got for the Jigsaw. It came in, what, 4 or 5 pack, whatever it was. And these are the, and the blades, and pretty much that's kind of what's up here. All right, so I tried them out. You saw what's up, what you can, you know, at least expect from it. I don't know longevity. I'm not going to be using it like this. I told you I'm not, you know, a seasoned user of the Jigsaw. This is like just me showing amateurs like me, which I know there's a lot of amateurs like me that are using this stuff. So at least, you know, we're all helping each other out, you know, working together or whatever and testing this stuff out. And just what you can expect of, you know, not already knowing what's going on before you're going to hit the product, you know, or your job. So I guess that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, and if you could do me a favor, if you're going to buy this or buy anything else off Amazon, you can click the affiliate links below. It helps support the channel, and as you can see, you can test me out. Subscribe and like my channel. You can unsubscribe and unlike later if I'm not putting my money back into the channel and I'm not investing into it to give you guys better products, more reviews, and all the rest of it. So you guys can pretty much hold me up to my word on me being able to do this anyway very easily by just clicking the subscribe and unsubscribes. And that's it. But like I said, support to the channel would be great. It's raining. I'm still out here trying to do this or whatever. And that helped me out. We got to start from somewhere, right, guys? All right, so everyone be safe. Glen Velvet Reviews is out. It is raining, and it's getting harder. Bye-bye.